let's check out a couple of AI tools that can be a great help for viral thumbnail creation. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. We've made a video about a full guide on creating thumbnails for YouTube some time ago, so for guided thumbnail creation, check that one out right over here. Because in this video, we're going to take a look at tricks and tips and fun tools to help that process. Most certainly, one of the neatest things of AI is generating images. For thumbnails, this is awesome because you can be 100% original with those images and can use your imagination to the fullest. There are many AI tools to generate images. Bing has it, OpenAI has it, Google has it, and so does the UniConverter. In fact, in the UniConverter, the tool is specialized in thumbnails. In this tool, after opening it up, you can obviously write your prompt down here. Then you can choose from various styles. It's great because you don't need to specify style attributes in your prompt. And then you can choose an aspect ratio, which will ensure a perfect framing for your platform. You won't need to cut into the picture just to fit it for the vertical aspect ratio, for example, or even a YouTube thumbnail. Moreover, you'll get multiple variations of one generating, so you can choose the one that you like the most. Jumping a little back in a workflow, if you don't have any ideas for your thumbnail, you can ask ChatGPT to give you some. Simply tell ChatGPT the title of your video and describe any thoughts you might have for your thumbnail. And it will give you a very detailed brief that then you can use to make your thumbnail. If you're tired of always taking images and stills for your thumbnails, or you very often just forget the whole thing like me, you can use AI portrait generators that will give you a lot of versions of yourself, which then you can use for your thumbnails. Pixpic is one of these tools where you can choose from many portrait styles, and then after uploading a few reference images of yourself, the tool will generate your AI portraits. You can choose from many styles and then you can use these in your thumbnails. So you don't always need to use AI to generate your materials from scratch. It's also useful for fixing existing images and speeding up your workflow. For instance, the generative AI in Photoshop is really cool to extend images and remove objects very quickly. As an example, here's this thumbnail material image of myself. My head here is cut off, my arms are out of the frame, and I take up all the space. So it would be nice to make me look smaller in the image so I could fit other elements within the frame. Now, if I just simply scale this down, it will look stupid and I would have all this empty space around the image. But if I use generative AI and tell it to extend the image, and voila, now I can fit extra content within the frame, and I also have the top of my hand and my arms as well. When you need to use archive materials or old images for your thumbnails, they might not have the best of quality. Having high quality thumbnails, however, is crucial. So what you can do in this case is use the AI image enhancer to improve the quality of an image that you want to use as a thumbnail. In the AI image enhancer tool, you can use multiple functions. There is the AI image enhancer, for one, that can fix blurry photos and low quality images. Then with the upscaler function, you can increase the resolution of an image up to 8 times. And then with the old photo colorize and old photo restorer functions, you can turn an old black and white photo into a good quality and colorful one. We have a full video about this topic, so do check that out right over here if you're interested. But this has been 5 ways to use AI for thumbnail creation, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.